Hello students, welcome to my math class. Today I shall discuss adding and subtracting unlike fractions. So, exercise 10E. Exercise 10E. First question number 1, add. 1a 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. The fractions are unlike fractions. So if we add unlike fractions, first we change into like fractions. At first we change unlike fractions to like fractions. So first 1 by 2 into, we know, first fraction into second fraction's denominator. So here denominator is 4 into 4, 4. So 4 1 is 4 and 4 2 are 8. So first fraction is 4 by 8. Then second fraction 1 by 4 into first fraction denominator into 2. So 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2 and 4 2 are 8. So here 4 by 8 and 2 by 8. The denominators are same, 8 8. So both fractions are like fractions. Now we add 4 by 8 plus 2 by 8. 4 by 8 plus 2 by 8. Now we take one denominator, one common denominator, 8, and 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2. Now 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and here 8. Answer is 6 by 8. If you reduce in lowest terms, then we can what call this, the factors, common factors of 2, 6 and 8 equal to are 2. So we cut by 2, 2 3 are 6 and 2 4 are 8. 2 3 are 6 and 2 4 are 8. Answer is 3 by 4. Answer is 3 by 4. Next, question number B. Question number B. 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6. So like same, first we change into like fractions. So here first fraction is 2 by 3 into second fraction denominator 6, then 2 6 are 12 and 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Next 5 by 6 into 5 3 are 3 are, then 3 5 are 15 plus 3 6 are 18. So here 12 by 18 and this 15 by 18. 12 by 18, 15 by 18. Now we add. If we add 12 by 18 plus 15 by 18, then common denominator 18, here 12 plus 15, so now 18, 12 plus 15, so 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so 27 by 18. Now if we reduce in lowest term, then we can cut with 9. If we cut with 9, then 9 3s are 27 and 9 2s are 18. So here 3 by 2. Answer is 3 by 2, or if this 3 by 2 is improper fraction, if you change into mixed fraction, then we get 3 2 1, 2 1s are 2, remain 1, so 1 by 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Next question number C. Question number C. 4 by 5 plus 7 by 15. 4 by 5 plus 7 by 15. Here first we change unlike fraction to like fraction. 4 by 5 into second fraction denominator 15 equal to 4 15s are 60 and 5 15s are 75. 5 15s are 75. Next 7 by 15 into first fraction denominator 5. Now 7 5s are 35 plus 15 5s are 60. So here 15 5s are 75. 15 5s are 75. Here 60 by 75 plus 35 by 75. Now we add 60 75 plus 35 by 75. Now one common denominator 75, 60 and plus numerator 60 plus 35. Here 60 plus 35. Now 60 plus 35 equal to 60 plus 35. Now 5 9 95 by 75. 95 by 75. So if you cut with 5 or if you reduce in lowest terms, so 5 19s are 70 or 95 and 5 15s are 75. So 19 by 15. Answer if we keep that, then also okay. And if we this 19 by 15 is improper fraction, so we change into mixed fraction. 15 1 is 15 and remain 9 plus 5, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So 1 4 by 15. Answer is 1 4 by 15 or 19 by 15. Next question number D. Question number D. 3 by 4 plus 4 by 7. 3 by 4 plus 4 by 7. So first we change into like fractions. 3 by 4 into second fraction denominator is 7. So into 7, 3 7s are 21 and 4 7s are 28. Next 4 by 7 into here 4 first fraction denominator is 4. So here 4 4s are 16 by 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. Now we add 21 by 28 plus 16 by 28. So first we take common denominator is what? Here 28, so we take one common, 28 and 21 plus 16. 21 plus 16, so 21 plus 16 equal to 7, 37. 6 plus 1 equal to 7 and 3 37. 37 by 28. 37 by 28. Answer is 37 by 28. Next question is E. Question number E. 11 by 12 plus 3 by 5. 11 by 12 plus 3 by 5. So first we like fraction 11 by 12 into second fraction denominator 5. Now 11 5s are 55 plus 12 5s are 60. 11 5s are 55, 12 5s are 60. Next 3 by 5 into second fraction denominator 12. Now 3 12s are 36 plus 5 6s are 5 12s are 60. So here 55 by 60 and 36 by 60. So 60 both denominators same. Now we add 55 plus 60 plus 36 plus 60. Now 60 one common denominator and 55 plus 36. Now we add 55 plus 36. 6 6 are 12, 2 1 in my hand, 5 1 6, 6 plus 3 9. Sorry, 55 plus 36. 11 1 in my hand, 11 1 in my hand, and 6 5 plus 1 6 7 8 9 91 by 60. 91 by 60. Next answer is 91 by 60. Next question. Is F. Question number F. 9 by 13 plus 9 by 10. 9 by 13 plus 9 by 10 first like fraction we change into like fraction, then 9 by 13 into second fraction denominator 10 10. So now 9 10 are 90 plus by 13 10 are 130. 13 10 are 130. Next 9 by 10 second fraction and this fraction denominator 13 13. So here 13 9 are 117 and 10 13 are 130. 10 130. Now we add 90 plus 130 plus 117 by 130. So common denominator is 130. Here 90 plus 117. Now we add 117 plus 90. 90. So here 7 9 plus 1 10. 9 plus 1 10 0 1 in my hand 207 by 130. Answer is 207 by 130. Next question number 2. Question number 2, subtract. Subtract 2a 2 by 3 minus 2 by 6. So here 2 by 3 minus 2 by 6 both are unlike fraction. Both fractions are unlike. First we change into like fraction. 2 by 3 into 6. Second fraction denominator 6. So now 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12 and 3 6 are 18. Next 2 by 6 second fraction into first fraction denominator 3 3. Now 3 2 are 6, 3 2 are 6 and 6 3 are 18. 3 2 are 2 3 are 6 and 6 3 are 18. Now 12 18 minus 6 by 18. Now denominator is common. 18 we take one denominator and 12 here sign is minus, we give minus 12 minus 6. So we know 12 minus 6 is equal to 6 by 18. If we reduce in lowest term, then we cut by 6. 6 1 is 6 and 6 3 are 18. Answer is 1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. Next question is question number B. Question number B. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Yes, 1 by 3. First like fractions 3 by 4 into second fraction denominator 3 3. Now 3 3 jar 9 and 3 4 jar 12. Next, second fraction 1 by 3 into first fraction denominator 4 into 4. So here 4 1 is 4 and 4 3 jar 12. So denominator is 12 12. So now we minus 9 by 12. 9 by 12 minus 4 by 12. 9 by 12 minus 4 by 12. So here common denominator 12. Common denominator 12. And here 9 minus, sign is minus, here 4. 9 minus 4. So here 9 minus 4 equal to 5. So answer by 12. Answer is 5 by 12. Answer is 5 by 12. Next, question number C. Question number C. Question number C. 8 by 10 minus 3 by 5. 8 by 10 minus 3 by 5. Here first we change into like fraction. 8 by 10 into second fraction denominator 5 equal to 8 5 jar 8 5 jar 40 plus 8 10 5 jar 50. 40 by 50. Next, first second fraction 3 by 5 into 10 10. Now 3 10 ja 30 plus 50. 30 plus 50. Here 40 50. 40 by 50 minus 30 by 50. 40 by 50 minus 30 by 50. Here 50. So here 40 50 50 50 is common. Here 40 minus 30. 40 minus 30. 40 minus 30. Now 40 minus 30 is equal to 10 by 50. 40 minus 30 0. 4 minus 3 is equal to 10. 10 by 50. If we now reduce in lowest term, we can cut by 10. 10 1 is 10 and 10 5 jar 15. 10 1 is 10, 10 5 jar 50, 1 by 5. Answer is 1 by 5. Next, question number D. Question number D. 5 by 9 minus 2 by 7. 5 by 9 minus 2 by 7. So first, like decimal 5 by 9 into 7, second fraction denominator 9 into 7. So here 5 7 jar 35 plus 9 6 jar 30 63. Sorry, 9 7 jar 63. Next, 2 by 7 into 9 9. Now 9 2 jar 18 and 9 7 jar or 7 9 jar 63. Here 5 3 jar 35, 5 7 jar 35 and 9 7 jar 63, 2 9 jar 18 and 7 9 jar 63. So 63 63 here, 35 by 63 minus 18 by 63. Now we take only common 63. Common denominator is 63. 35 minus 18. Now we 35 minus 18. So here 5 minus 8 cannot borrow 1, then there is 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7, and here remain 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So answer is 17 by 63. 17 by 63. Next question number is 9 by 20 minus 3 by 8. Nine by 20 minus 3 by 8. 9 by 20 minus 3 by 8. Now 9 by 20 into 8. 9 8 jar 72, 9 8 jar 72 and 28 jar 160. 160. 28 jar 160. Then second fraction denominator 3 by 8 into second fraction denominator, first fraction denominator 20 into 20. Now 3 20 jar 60, 3 20 jar 60 and 8 20 jar 160. Now we add 160, 160. So fractions are like fractions. So here 72 by 160 minus 60 by 160. Now 160, 72 minus, here common 160 common denominator is 160. 72 minus 60. 72 minus 60. So 72 minus 60, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 and 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So answer is 12 by 160. 12 by 160. So if we reduce in lowest term, then we can cut with 4. 4 3 jar 12. 4 3 jar 12 and 4 4 jar 16 and 1 0 left 1 0. So here answer is 3 by 40. Answer is 3 by 40. Next question number F. 7 by 10 minus 17 by 30. 30. Question number F. F. Question number F. 7 by 10 minus 17 by 30. 17 by 30. 7 by 10 minus 17 by 30 like fraction. 7 by 10 into 30, second fraction denominator 30. Now 7 3 jar 21 and 1 0 is there, 1 0, 7 30 jar 210 and 10 30 jar 300. 3 1 is 3 and 2 0 300. Next 17 by 30 into 10. So here 17 into 10 170 and 30 into 10 300. 30 into 10 300. Now 210 by 300 minus 170 by 300. Now 300 is common denominator, 300 common denominator, and here 210 minus 170. 210 minus 170, so 210 minus 170 equal to 0 minus 0 is 0, then 1 minus 7 cannot carry 1, then there is 11. 11 minus 7 is equal to 4, and here remain 1, 1 minus 1 equal to 0, so 440 by 300. 40 by 300. Now if you write in lowest term, then 10 10 cut, here remain 4 and here remain 30, we cut by 2. 2 2 jar 4 and 2 15 jar 30. So answer is 2 by 15. 2 by 15. Now we shall solve what sums on fractions. What sums on fractions? Exercise 10F. Exercise 10F. Exercise 10F. Question number 1. So 10F is what sums on fractions. Question number 1, page number 91. All of you take your book and open page number 91. So first question, Shalini got 4 by 5 of the total marks in a test. If the total mark was 50, how much did she score? So we take out, if out of 50 she got 4 by 5, then we, here we find out how much did she score. So from question we got, total mark equal to 50. Total marks equal to 50. She got, out of 50 she got 4 by 5, 4/5. So we take out how much did she score? So we write she scored 50 marks of out of 50 she got 4/5. Out of 50 she got 4/5. That means 50 of 4/5. Now, or 4/5 of 50. Now 50 into 4 by 5. 4 by 5. Of means into. So now we start. 5 1 is 5 and 5 10s are 50. 5 1 is 5. 5 10s are 50. So here remain 10 into 4. Upper remain 10 into 4 and down 1. 1 is no need to write. Then 4 10s are 40 marks. So she scored 40 marks. Out of 50 she got 40 marks. Out of 50 she got 40 marks. Question number 2. Question number 1 finished. Question number 2. Question number 2, page number 91. See, Mrs. Pai made a dish with 7/10 kg of paneer, 4/10 kg of peas, and 3/10 kg of potatoes. What is the total weight of the things she used? So first we know she used paneer, peas and tomatoes. So from question we got weight of paneer equal to weight of paneer equal to 7 by 10. 7 by 10 weight of peas equal to 4 by 10 or 10 kg. 4 by 10 kg. 4 by 10 kg weight of potato, tomato equal to 3 by 10 kg. 3 by 10 kg. So we take out what is the total weight of three things. So first, therefore the total weight equal to. So if we take out the total weight, we are to do plus. Total weight equal to 7 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 3 by 10. So here 10, 10, 10. So fractions are like fractions. All fractions are like fractions. So we take only one common denominator 10. Now here 4 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3. 7 plus 4 plus 3. So 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 plus 3. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. 11 plus 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. So 14 by 10 kg. 14 by 10 kg If we change into mixed fraction, then we get 10, 14. 10 1 is 10, here remain 4. So answer is 1 4 by 10 kg. 1 4 by 10 kg. Total weight is or if we here if we cut, then we reduce the lowest term, then 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10, then 7 by 5. And if we, now it what call this we change into mixed fraction. 5 7 7 1 is 5 1 is 5, then 5 7 minus 2 5 is equal to 2. So answer is 1 2 by 5 kg. 1 2 by 5 kg. Next, so total weight is 1 2 by 5 kg. She used. Next, question number 3. Question number 3. A bottle had 8 by 9 liter of lemonade. Giant and his friend drank 5 by 9 liter. How much lemonade was left in the bottle? So question number 3. So we get from the question total or a bottle had 8 by 9 liter lemonade. 8 by 6 liter 8 by 9 liter lemonade Jayanta J-A-Y Giant and his friend drank 5 by 9 liter. 5 by 9 liter. Now we take out how much lemonade was left in the bottle. So how much lemonade was left in the bottle? From this sentence we are to do minus. So lemonade left in the bottle equal to total was total 8 by 9 and drank 1 5 by 9. So 9 total minus total 8 by 9 minus 5 by 9. 5 by 9 we take common denominator. Here 9 is 9 like fraction, so we take one denominator, and 8 minus 5. So we know 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 3 minus by 9. So if we reduce the fraction in lowest term, then we get 3 1 is 3 and 3 3 are 9. So 1 by 3 liter. 1 by 3 liter left. 1 by 3 liter left in the bottle. Next question number 4. Question number 4. On Monday morning, a library had 6,000 books. 1/6 of the books were borrowed during the day. How many books did the library had when it opened on Tuesday? So we know here in this question we get the total number of books equal to 6,000. So we write total number of books equal to 6,000. So 6,000 books are there in the library, and 1/6 of the books were borrowed. So number of the fractions of book fractions of books fractions of books were borrowed equal to 1 by 6. Out of 6,000, 1 by 6 were borrowed. Now we take out here on the question, say one month, how many books did the library have when it opened on Tuesday? So first we take out during the day how many, they are given fraction, so we don't know the total number of books, only we know fractions of books 6 by 1 by 6. So now we take out the total number of books borrowed during the day, so we write number of books BORROW borrowed equal to number of book borrowed equal to out of 6,000 1/6 borrowed. So 6,000 into 1/6, that means 6 out of 6,000 1/6 borrowed. So 6, and if we cut 6 1 is 6 and 6 1 is 6, remain 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 0. So 1,000 in 1 jar 1,000. So 1,000 books during the day. 1,000 books were borrowed. Next we take out on Tuesday morning, or on Tuesday the library had how many books. So we write on Tuesday the library had so 6,000 book total 6,000 and borrowed 1,000. So we have one Tuesday morning the library had 6,000 books minus 1,000 books because 1,000 borrowed during the day. So 6,000 minus 1,000 is equal to 5,000. 5,000 books. 5,000 books. On Tuesday, the library had 5,000 books. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. A painter mixed 1/8 liter of white paint, 3/8 liter of blue paint and some red paint. If he mixed 6/8 liter of paints in all, how much red paints did he mixed? So here from the question we get total paint equal to 6/8. Total or total mixture total paint equal to 6/8 liter. See, total paint equal to 6/8 liter. Out of 6/8, 1/8 liter white. So white paint equal to white paint equal to 1/8 liter. 1/8 liter and blue paint equal to 3/8 liter. 3/8 liter. So and some red paint. So red paint, fraction of red paint we don't know. First we have to take out what red paint. Red paint equal to we don't know. So now first we take out the total of white paint and blue paint. Total the mixture of white and blue paint. Total of white and blue paint equal to here white paint equal to 1/8 plus total. If you take out the total of white and blue paint equal to then 1/8 and blue paint equal to 3/8. So 1/8 plus 3/8. Now 8 common denominator is there, it is 8 and here 1 plus 3. Now 3 plus 1 4/8 liter what total white and blue paint. Now we take out Now we take out the fraction of red paint. Fractions of red paint or total red paint. So we got total of. Now we take out the fraction of red paint equal to, so total of white and blue paint we got what, 12 by 4 by 8, and total paint equal to 6 by 8, so 4 by 6 by 8 minus 4 by 8. 6 by 8 minus 4 by 8. Now 8 common, 6 minus 4. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 2 by 8. 2 by 8 liter, or if we reduce in lowest term, then we get 2 1 is 2 and 2 4 are 8. So answer is 1 by 4 liter. 1 by 4 liter red paint are there in the mixture. Next, question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6. Sania ate 3/7 of the biryani her mother had made. What fraction was left? So here we get Sania ate what, 3/7 of the biryani her mother had made. What fraction was left? So here we get total biryani or the whole biryani. First we write question number 6, the whole biryani equal to 1. We don't know it is one packet maybe, or one plate, whatever maybe. It is 1. Total the whole biryani equal to 1. And Sania ate what, 3/7 of the biryani. Sania ate, or she ate 3/7 part. Now we take out what portion or the what fraction was left. So we write the fraction total was 1 and 3/7 Sania ate. That means remaining portion, if we take out what left, we take out, then 1 minus 3 by 7. 1 minus 3 by 7. The fraction of the biryani left equal to 1 minus 3 by 7. 1 minus 3 by 7. So we know if 1 minus 3 by 7, if we make any numbers, you down 1 is there. All numbers, all natural numbers down 1 is there. So here 10 1 by 1 we can write to make it fraction. So now we make it like fraction. So 1 by 1 into first fraction is 1 by 1, second fraction is 3 by 7 into 7 equal to 7 1 is 7 and again 7 1 is 7. So fraction is 7 by 7. Next 3 by 7 into first fraction denominator is 1 1. So here we get 3 by 7. So now we do minus 7 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So here 7 and 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 by 7. So the fraction of the biryani left equal to 4 by 7. 4 by 7. Next question number 7. Mr. Reddy left 3/7 of his money for his wife, 2/7 for his son and rest for his daughter. Who got the greatest share? Once again, Mr. Reddy left 3/7 of his money for his wife, 2/7 for his son and the rest for his daughter. Who got the greatest share? Question number 7. From question we got so Mr. Reddy left 3/7 of his money for his wife. So for his wife he left 3/7 money. So money, we write money left for his wife equal to 3 by 7 or 3/7. So money left for his son equal to 2 by 7. 2 by 7. First we take out and the rest for his daughter. So first we take out money left for his daughter equal to dash, we don't know. So first we take out the money left with his for his daughter equal to what? So we know the whole money, we don't know whole money. So we write the whole money equal to 1. It is maybe 1 crore, 1 lakh, 1,000, whatever may be, but it is 1. The whole money equal to 1. So now we take out money left for his daughter. So first we take out the total money, total fraction of money for his wife and for his son. So we write total share of his wife or the fraction of the fraction of the fraction of share for his wife and son equal to the fractions of share for his wife and son equal to, we take out total 3/7 plus 2/7, 3/7 plus 2/7. So we add 7 is common to, we take 1 7 and 3 plus 2. So here 3 plus 2 is equal to 5/7. 5/7. So total share, the total fraction of share for his wife and son equal to 5/7. Now we take out the total money left, or to the fraction of money left for his daughter. We take out the fraction of money left for his daughter equal to, we got total whole money is, we got 1 and minus the fraction of share with for his wife, and total fractions of share for his wife and son equal to, we got what, 5/7. 5/7. Now we minus 1 minus, so we make it, so we know if one is, this one is what, numerator, so down denominator also 1, so 1 1, and if we make like decimal fraction, then second fraction denominator 7 into 7, so it is 7 1 is 7 and 7 1 is 7. The fraction is 7 1 is 7. Next fraction is what, 5/7 into 1, first fraction denominator and into 1. Now it is, so remains same, 5/7. 5/7, 5 1 is 5, 5 7 1 is 7. Now we subtract 7/7 minus 5/7. 7/7 minus 5/7. Now 7, common denominator is 7, here 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2/7. So his daughter share also 2/7, like same to his son, same to his son also 2/7, daughter also we get here 2/7. Now we take out who got the greatest share, who got the greatest share. So we know wife, his wife got which wife got 3/7, son 2/7, and daughter also 2/7. So wife equal to 3/7, son also equal to 2 by 7 and daughter equal to also 2 by 7. So here all fractions. So who get greatest? 2 by 3 by 7, 2 by 7, 2 by 7. So we know if denominators are same, one of the greatest fraction is the greatest, one of the greatest numerator is the greatest number. So here 3, so 3 is the greatest among the fractions. 3 by 7 is the greatest, so his wife got the greatest share. So we write what? His wife, therefore his wife got the greatest share. So here his wife got the greatest share. Next question number 8. Question number 8. 1 by 7 of the cars in a parking lot were black. 1 by 7, here 1 by 7 of the car in a parking lot were black, 2 by 7 were red and rest were white. What fraction of the car were white? First we take out what fraction of the car were white. Next, if the total number of cars was 210, how many cars were white? So first from question we get the fraction of black car equal to, or the fraction of black car equal to 1 by 7. 1 by 7. The fractions of black cars equal to 1 by 7. The fraction of red car equal to 2 by 7. 2 by 7. So and rest other, and the rest were white. The rest were white. The remaining were white. What fraction of the car were left? So first we take out what fraction of the car were white. So here we write, first we take out the total fractions of car red and white, black and white car. Total fractions of black and white car. The total or the fraction of black and red cars equal to what? We add this one and this one. It is 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7. 1 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Here we get 7 is common, 1 plus 2. 7 is common, like fraction, so we take 1 7 and 1 plus 2 equal to 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 3 by 7 are were black and white cars. So we know the whole car, if we know the whole car equal to whole car, or the whole car equal to 1. It is maybe 1000, 1 lakh, 1 crore, whatever, but it is 1. If we do fraction, then we can write here 1. So total whole car is 1. So out of this one car, these cars, then what it is, 3 by 7, the whole is 1. So out of this whole 1, 3 by 7 are black and red cars. Black and red cars. Now we take out the fractions of white cars. The fractions of white cars. The fractions or fraction of white car equal to 1 whole minus 3 by 7. So we know down 1 is there, so fraction is 1 by 1. If we make it like fraction, then we get 1 by 1 into 7, second fraction denominator, so 7 by 7, 7 by 7, and second fraction is 3 by 7, so into 1. First fraction denominator is 1, so it is same, remains same, 3 by 7. Now we add 7 by 7 minus 3 by 7. So common denominator is common denominator is 7. Like fractions, so we take 1 7 here, 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 by 7. So here we get 4 by 7 white cars. So 4 by 7 white cars. Now we take out if the total number of cars equal to 210, how many cars were white? So total numbers of car, number of cars equal to total number of cars equal to 210, given in question 210. So out of 210, 4/7 are white. 4/7 are white. So the number of number of white car equal to out of 210, 4/7 were white. Out of 210, 4/7 were white. Now 7 1 is 7, 7 3s are 21, and 1 0 remain 30. Here 30 into 4. So 34s are 30 into 4. 4 0s are 0, 3 4s are 12. So here 12 cars. So total number of white cars equal to 120. 120 cars are white. Therefore the or total number of white cars, total number of white cars equal to 120. So dear student, today up to this, if you have any doubt, you can call me at night. Thank you.